Hi everyone, what's up? This video is part of a series in which I discuss a Pyspark coding question for you to practice and become prepared for the next interview. In each video, I will use a Leetcode or HackerRank SQL question and solve it using Pyspark. Question for this video is displayed on the screen. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and if you find it useful, please share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel, then please push the subscribe button as it will help my channel grow. I post videos every week to help you clear your next interview. Also, if you found this video useful, then please click the like button and share it with your friends. Now, let's get started with the video. So the question is, write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. So let me show you the data right away. So we have ID, name, department and manager ID. So ID represents the employee ID, name is the employee name, department of that particular employee, and manager ID is the manager that the particular employee is reporting to. So John is not reporting to anyone, that's why null is written in manager ID. Now Dan, that is the record number 2, Dan is reporting to manager ID 101, that is Dan is reporting to John. Similarly, Jane is also reporting to John, Amy is also reporting to John, Annie is also reporting, and Ron is also reporting to John. So if I ask you how many employees are directly reporting to John, so as you can see, there are total 5 employees. So basically, John is the answer to this question. John is that one employee who has 5 direct reportees, and we have to prepare a general query to get this solution. I hope you understood this question, and let's straight away jump on to the solution. So before showing the Pyspark solution, let me explain the SQL solution first. So in order to achieve this answer to this particular question, what we have to do is we have to first find out that particular manager ID whose count is greater than equal to 5. And in order to do so, you have to write select manager ID from vEmployeeDF group by 1, and 1 here represents this column, having count star greater than equal to 5. So this will return me the particular manager ID whose total count is greater than equal to 5. Now once I have this, I can just use it in the main query in order to get other details. So how I've done this, select ID name from vEmployeeDF where ID in whatever the result of this query is. So as you can see, the final result is 101 and John. So what people mostly make mistake is they focus on doing the count star in the upper query, that is the main query. But instead, we should focus on getting the manager ID first. And in order to get the manager ID, we have to do the count star within the having statement. If you are able to solve it in this way, well, I feel this is the simplest form of solution that this question has. So now let's jump on to the Pyspark solution. First, I'm going to convert this inner query into Pyspark code. So as you can see, I've written employeeDF dot group by manager ID, and inside aggregate I'm doing count star alias direct reports. So this returns me this result. We have manager ID null which has direct reports 1, and manager ID is 101 which has direct reports 5. Now once I have this result, I will simply filter out all those records which are where the direct reports is greater than equal to 5. So I see there is only one record that satisfies this condition. So once I have this, all I have to do is in our main data frame or main table, I have to find out the particular ID that is equal to this manager ID. And how I'm going to do is I'm simply going to use an inner join. So I'm going to join employeeDF with manager with 5 or more reports data frame on ID column, well, employeeDF.id and managers with 5 or more reports dot manager ID. And as I said, I'm doing an inner join. And I've selected all the columns which I want to keep in my final result. And well, that's it. This is how you solve this question in Pyspark. As you can see, we have ID 101, name John, then department A, and total number of reports, that is 5. I hope you understood how to solve this question not only in Pyspark but also in SQL. One thing to notice here is I have used inner join in the Pyspark code. Well, I have not used any join in the SQL. So I will insist you to try to solve this question in Pyspark without using the join if it is possible. If you have the solution, please feel free to post it in the comments. It will be very helpful for everyone else. And as I've told you before in my previous videos, I have similar kind of videos available in form of playlist. You can find that on the I button. These questions are very good for your practice and will make you more prepared for your next interview. So that's it for this video. If you found it useful, then please share it with your friends and like the video. In the coming few weeks, I have planned many such videos on Pyspark and SQL interview questions. So stay tuned for them, and if you have not subscribed, then please press the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.